Well, you better start drinking. You clearly have not had enough to drink yet. That should do the trick.
Clearly.
Walk the line.
Let me see after this one, I'll try it again. So we are staying here at the Park MGM in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. As a matter of fact, we were here not too long ago, but we stayed inside the secret hotel here at the Park MGM called the Nomad. And if you haven't seen that video, y'all should definitely check it out.
Yes, the Park MGM is one of the newer hotels here on the Strip. Recently remodeled, actually took over for the old Monte Carlo, for those familiar with that. It also is one of the better budget hotels here. Weekday rates currently are around $45 a night, not including resort fees and taxes.
Yeah.
And of course, weekend rates can go a lot higher than that.
A lot higher. But we want to explore a little bit of what the Park MGM has to offer. Of course, it's a non-smoking casino as well. So we are going to take this to a whole nother level. This is a quaint boutique room, so it's not going to be a big room tour. But let's kick off the room tour, then see what the rest of this place has to offer. You ready to check it out?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Woo! Hey, welcome to our cozy, quaint room here at the Park MGM. Now, it's a small room, and I tell you, so small that if you drop a piece of paper on the floor, it might be considered messy. But let's kick things off with the bathroom. All right, so Dave, what'd you think of that bathroom?
Well, it's simple, clean, but I like the tub.
Yes, cute, small, quaint bathroom. Now, one thing we noticed with this room is that it reminds us of a similar consistency and color and theme of the Nomad Hotel. And apparently, the Nomad Hotel, which is owned by the Stow Group, has partnered with the Park MGM. It's just not as luxurious or glamorous as the Nomad, but it's quaint. Check it out. Well, you know what? The bed looks comfortable. It's low, but it looks comfortable. But, you know, the only way to determine its comfortability is what, Dave?
Well, that's the bed test, of course.
That's right, y'all. It's time for the bed test. The bed was pretty comfortable.
Oh, yes it was.
And we checked in here very late. So we're gonna show you guys behind the red curtain, which is of our view, and then we'll see you guys down at the pool in the morning, hopefully. Welcome to the Park MGM Pool, you guys. We're so excited to check this out here. Now, there's mini pools here.
Oh, it's a nice area. 3 different pools, all recently renovated. It's a very nice area.
Yeah, we're in the North Pool. Suggestion. You know, we look like we have kind of the combination shady sunsides. When you walk in, just go to the right. Those are the nice back seats. Those are our favorites anyway for now.
Right, exactly.
For now. But anyway,
yeah, and the service seems very good here as well. They've been very attentive, which is good.
Yes, which is really nice. And we're about to have a little margaritas to kind of kick the day off, I guess you would say. Kick the day off.
Kick it off.
Isn't that weird? Doesn't that sound weird to say? Like in Vegas, kick the day off in the morning.
Kick the day off. Let's just do it.
I guess that's normal. Let's kick the day off. Kick the day off.
one of our favorite poolside treats here in Vegas. Of course, the breakfast burrito.
Extra salsa.
Extra salsa. Yeah, it looks good. I'm excited to dive in. Ready, babe?
I'm ready. Oh, look at that salsa. I
There's
didn't put so much on
there. A
there.
little bit of salsa. Here we go.
Hey, so we got our large and in charge margaritas on the rocks here. Now the margaritas on the rocks, I'm gonna mention, hold on one second, stare at that margarita. For the large ones, it's $25 for a 32 ounce. So no joke on the size and no joke on the price. But I also want to mention, guess who is headlining here coming up in July, you guys, if you enjoy him. Bruno Mars is gonna be the, I guess, resident here at the Park MGM starting in July, which is kind of crazy. Ow, baby Michael Jackson. Go pop a phone, pop it. Ow, turn it up. Welcome to the new location
Of the Pinball Museum.
Let's go!
We are so excited, you guys. This is quite a tribute to classic and old school pinball machines.
Just an unbelievable collection of pinball machines, just going way back. I mean, some of these are so old.
Absolutely. You can even hear the bells. I can hear the ringing. Some of them are these like weird old like cash register machine counters.
It's crazy.
Super cool. There's so much to check out, but I think without further ado, we need to kind of rock and see what this pinball museum has to offer.
It's time to
Ready
play
rock?
some pinball.
Let's rock!
Let's do it. Give it up.
This has got to be probably one of the coolest pinballs because this here is how pinball started. It's super neat. It looks like you had to add up your own points here. It
That's
almost
crazy.
looks like a Plinko. Almost looks like Plinko.
I think it was built in 1933.
1933.
World Fair Jigsaw. Test your skill.
Test your skills. All right,
Wanna give
let's
it a
try
shot,
it. I'm
babe?
not sure. Yeah, is it one
All
quarter?
right, here we go.
Oh. Ah.
Not really sure how this works.
Goes into one of the Plinko holes. Up, 200. The ball's gonna line up. Kind of add up your points there. That's 300. Nice. Well, it goes around and it stops itself, and then it's like, oh, nice.
All right, there we go. Oh, another 200.
And for the grand finale, you guys, we're gonna be playing the Pinball Circus Midway. One of two ever built, and from what we hear right now, this is the only one working.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Turn it up, world.
Welcome to La Pizza and La Pasta here at Park MGM. We're excited.
Yeah, we're in Italy here, and definitely hungry. Looking forward to maybe get some pizza
Yeah.
and maybe some pasta.
Yes. Well, I definitely am going to skip on that pasta, but I like the pizza, and
yeah.
I think that nice arugula. I keep seeing tables with
I know.
arugula salad
You
that has like
can't
the
stop talking
Parmesan
about it.
cheese on it. I can't. That's my jam right there.
Yeah. We went ahead with the arugula salad, which we're going to share. It came out already. It looks actually very nice.
I know. It's a mountain of arugula.
Yeah, very nice. Nice shaved Parmesan on there too.
And olive
Looks
oil.
good.
Delicious.
Right, and also we're going to share the Margarita Pizza. Now the Margarita Pizza is about $19. I believe the salad is about $16.
Yeah, 15 or
15 or
16,
16,
they
yeah.
said. Now, what's interesting too about La Pizza and La Pasta is, you know, they're two different places working together as one. So if you order like, you know, pizza and pasta at the same time, the pizza might be coming from another place and
Exactly.
the pasta will be coming from
Yeah,
somewhere else.
two different kitchens here.
Two different
correct?
kitchens, all under one roof, but, and all going into my belly. Yum, yum, give me some. You know, something so refreshing about a nice arugula salad. The lemon in there, the cheese, olive oil. It's got a little bit of a bite to it.
A nice cool salad on a hot Vegas day is not too bad. Come on in from the heat. Nice little cool salad.
Nice cool salad on a hot Vegas day.
Yeah.
You know what goes even better? A cold beer. Welcome to the main event, Dave. We got the Margarita Pizza.
Yeah, it looks nice.
It looks really
It's
good.
arrived. I loved how the crust on the edges is kind of little crispy burntness to it. I think it's gonna add some nice flavor.
Oh, I'm sure it will.
Yeah, looks good.
Looks juicy. I'm just gonna grab a slice and go.
Grab it on. Yeah. There
Cheers.
we go.
That is really good. It's not crunchy, it's a little soggy.
Right.
With the cheese.
Yeah, it's incredibly thin. Right, incredibly thin. A little soggy, but not in a bad way so much.
No.
It tastes so good, just full of flavor. Still light though. You know, of course, the margarita, there's not a lot going on there. You know, keep it nice and thin, very fresh ingredients. This is good.
Yeah.
And the crust is, the dough and the crust is really nice.
Yeah, you're more of a crust person than I am. But I definitely see it's got that nice doughiness to it. Let me give it a shot.
The crust is light and flaky. Very light.
And the burn.
No, nice, right?
It's nice. Like the whole thing is nice. It actually reminds me of the word refreshing.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's, oh my gosh. I honestly have to say, initially I'm thinking, oh my God, it's $16 for a small pizza.
Yeah.
Like, what?
Yeah.
But there's so much flavor in it that I feel like I don't really get in margarita pizzas. That's like it's right out of Italy.
Nice.
Right out of
Exactly.
Italy.
Very good.
Bon appetit.
So what do you think, babe?
I think the food was really, really good. It was actually good. What did you think?
I thought it was very good too, but what do I do now?
Well, you know what time it is, right?
What time it is?
It's time for some slots.
Welcome to Park MGM and the casino.
We are going to start off here playing some Megabucks.
That's right.
We kind of like Megabucks. And the rule is simple for us. We're doing 10 pulls, max bet, moving on, or moving out. All right, so starting with this
Exactly.
here, we're going to do our 10
Yeah,
pulls.
max bet's $5 in this one.
$5
Here we go.
this one. Here we go. Ooh. Five.
Number 6, come on.
7.
Number 7.
Number 8.
All right, number 9.
Number 9. All right, here we go. Number 10. Oh, read between the lines. Read between the lines. Moving on. All right, next up, one of our favorites, Crazy Money. Same rules, 10 pulls.
All right.
Max bet.
Max bet $3 to spend.
That's $3 spend. Max bet, Here we go.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 10. Well, that is all she wrote. Rip it to the lines! Rip it to the lines! So we didn't do so great on the slots, but we had a great time here at the Park MGM.
Yes, Park MGM is a very good value option here with a good location on the strip. And if you don't like smoke, that non-smoking casino is a nice option.
Absolutely. The room's quaint, cute, comfortable. The pool's pretty cool. And take a second if you haven't done so. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get up every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, World Travelers. And we look forward to seeing y'all
In Las Vegas.
maybe at Park MGM.
All right. So we're gonna play some Mega Bucks, y'all. Here we go.
We're playing at the Mega Bucks. Now we do like the Mega Bucks.
So we came over to the Mega Bucks. Welcome to the casino.